Okay, mushroom soup. Simplest soup recipe you can get. We're going to blitz it so it's a nice creamy consistency, and we're going to finish it with some croutons and some shiitake sauteed mushrooms. But let's get into it. It's a really simple recipe. We're going to saute one whole sliced onion, white onion, some garlic. We have 5 different types of mushrooms to celebrate the launch of our fantastic new mushroom cooker. Starting on the right hand side, we have the oyster mushrooms, very large yielding mushrooms, very easy to cook. You can pan fry them, saute them. We then have the white beech mushrooms. Again, now these are tended to be used more in the garnish stages of dishes. We then have the king trumpet, very impressive mushroom, again very hearty, very meaty. We then have the classic shiitake mushroom, absolutely packed with flavour and colour. And then we also have chestnut mushrooms, which I've already pre-sliced in to the mix. Because we're going to do this for mushroom, we're going to use a vegetable stock, so it is vegetarian. And then we're going to, for colour, add double cream. Start off with a little bit of rapeseed oil. We're then going to add the sliced white onions in. And we're going to saute these for about 4 to 5 minutes, just until they start to break down and soften. Okay, so now that we've sauteed the mushrooms and the onions down, we're going to add the vegetable stock, which is going to be the body of the soup. I'm going to simply just add that now. And the trick when it comes to the liquid amount in the soup is you want it just level with the amount of vegetables. So if I was to have the liquid way up here, it would make the soup really thin. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to simply add a little bit of salt, give it a little mix just to make sure it's thoroughly mixed and there's nothing sticking to the bottom of the pan. And then we're going to pop the lid on and we're going to cook that now for about 30 minutes so it really infuses with the mushrooms. And then we're going to add some cream and we're going to blend it into a nice smooth soup.